In this video, I'm going to show you how you can have multiple Instagram accounts linked to one email address. So first things first, open up your Instagram account. Log into your main account under the email that you want to have the other accounts under. Once you're here, go to your profile by tapping your profile image in the lower right-hand corner. And then I want you to go to the menu, which is the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right-hand corner. By tapping on these, it'll take you to Settings and Activity. Once you're here, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom to where you see Login, Add Account, and Log Out. You want to go to Add Account. Tap into Add Account, and right here you want to go to Create New Account. The reason we can't do login to an existing account is because there's really no way to merge existing accounts into one email address. You would have to go through the process of actually deleting that, backing it up, and then opening it up like we're doing here today. Once you've done that and you go to Add New Account, you want to pick a new username. Once you've typed in a username, it'll tell you with a green check mark if it's available or not, so select one that is, and then just tap the Next option there. Now create a password. Once you've added a password, go ahead and tap Next. This is where you're going to complete the sign up that says, "Welcome to Instagram. We'll add the email and phone number info from your current account to this new account. You can change your contact info and username anytime." So if you've done this while you're logged in to the account that has the email address on it, it'll automatically add it under that same email address. And currently you can have up to 5 accounts under one email address. Go ahead and tap the complete sign up button there. And then once you've done so, it will go ahead and take you to the new account. It may ask you to confirm or verify via typing in your password again, and then it'll ask you to go through and do you want to add contacts? I'm going to go ahead and skip through all of this just for the purposes of this video. So you can go through and add your profile image, discover people that they want you to discover, and then it'll take you directly to your account. Now, as you can see, if I go to my profile on this new account, you can see there at the top, there is my account name. I can now tap into my name or on top of that name, and as you can see, I have my 4 Instagram accounts all under this one email address. And I can now just tap them to switch between the multiple accounts. You can go to the settings and change your profile information like you normally would, and then just hop between the multiple accounts that you have, all housed under that one email address. There will be a FAQ section in the pinned comment below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.